Is any more water drinking and water sipping?
No.
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 Ranveer, what are these lines called?
Intersecting line.
Pranav, what will be the measure of this point here?
No, 180.
Tanishka, what will be the measure of this point here? Full.
360.
Thank you. That's correct.
Okay.
Pranav, what will be the measure here? Full.
Now 180.
Subhan, what will be the measure here?
360.
Subhan, what will be the measure here?
Ma'am, 180 plus 180 is equals to 360.
Subhan, what will be the measure here?
Wait. Ma'am, 360.
Ranveer, what will be the measure here?
180.
Tanishka, what will be the measure here?
180.
Pranav, what will be the measure here?
180.
Subhan, what will be the measure here?
180.
Ranveer, what will be the measure here?
360.
Subhan, have you understood the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, if this is 30, what is this?
30.
Why?
Because mirror.
Hey,
Opposite side.
hey, ओए, मिरर के अंदर रिफ्लेक्शन दिखता है कि मिरर के बाहर? मिरर इधर है तो तुम्हें इधर दिखेगा ना रिफ्लेक्शन अंदर?
No, no ma'am.
Ranveer, this is 30. Why is this 30?
Ma'am, vertically opposite angles are always same.
Tanishka, this is 30. Why is this 30?
Ma'am, vertical opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angle, what? They go together to the park?
No.
Then what? Complete the sentence.
Ma'am, because it's 30.
Hey, what यार? Vertically opposite angles का पूरा sentence तो बताओ. Vertically opposite angles always
Always
Yes,
are
yes.
same.
वो ही तो बोलना है. Okay. So if this is 30, Pranav, what is this?
Wait. 30, 180, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yeah.
140.
Tanishka,
150.
why?
I
180
did
minus
180 minus 30 is equal
Correct.
to 1.
So if this is 150, what is this?
150.
Why?
Vertical opposite angle are always same.
Thank you. If you only say vertically opposite angle, then I will say, oh, do they go to the park together? Okay. I am going to repeat myself. A line which intersects two or more given
Then
lines at what?
360 degree.
Point.
At distinct points
distinct point.
Distinct point.
Distinct points. Distinct points. They are separate points. They are not at the same point. What are these called?
They are called
Ranveer,
same.
vertically opposite नहीं.
hey, I'm asking what are these lines called? You're saying vertically opposite angles. But
Ma'am,
Intersecting at same point.
so what are they called?
ma'am.
Intersecting lines.
Yes, ma'am. I was
Intersecting line.
lines.
I
No,
said
I was thinking intermolecular.
Intersecting lines.
Ma'am, I was
Yes.
telling you not intersecting lines. By mistake from my mouth came intermolecular space.
Oh, you're mixing chemistry here. I know you had chemistry class today and you liked it, but this is not intermolecular space.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Children, okay, come back. Geometry. Intersecting
Intersect.
Ma'am, can you
lines.
hear me?
Shh. Intersecting lines, they will all intersect at the same point. Intersecting lines, कैसे पता चलेगा? When they are all going to intersect at the same point. Transversal. कैसे पता चलेगा? When it will intersect at.
When they intersect distinct points.
कैसे पता चलेगा transversal है? When they intersect
When
at
they intersect at distinct points.
distinct points. Let's go back to what we did 2 minutes ago.
Intermolecular
Ma'am, can
space.
you hear me? Ma'am,
Kanishka,
can you hear me?
let's number the places. यहाँ पे क्या number आएगा?
1,
Ma'am.
2, 3, 4.
Best way to remember, we always draw a circle usually like this, right? हम यहाँ से start करके यहाँ पे end करते हैं. So this is how you go numbering it. 1, 2, 3, 4. इधर क्या आएगा?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ranveer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pranav.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Subhan.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Can I now be sure that you all are not going to make a mistake in understanding these angles, numbers?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No, I cannot be sure.
No,
No,
yes,
you
yes, you can.
100%.
Saying no.
No, you cannot be sure.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you something important about these angles. I want you to listen to me carefully without fiddling with pencils, erasers, books, pages, and here and there. Don't listen to anyone talking to you around you right now. Listen to me carefully. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
In this picture, we marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What were we marking?
And
Circle.
Angles.
Correct. We were marking angles. ये एक angle, ये एक angle, ये एक angle. Correct. And you will know that it is an angle जब उसको तुम एक नाम दे देते हो. वरना यूं ही खाली खाली सा जो line है, you don't understand only what they are.
F
Right?
G H I J K.
Now you know that I can put a name to these angles. Angle CDB, angle CDA, angle. Wait, I'll draw it a little smaller so it fits into the screen. Wait, wait, I'll draw it such that it fits into the screen. कहाँ यहाँ से यहाँ. Okay, now seen? Okay.
Okay.
So when you name it, it's much easier. So I don't have to call a boy wearing that gray t-shirt, a girl wearing that blue frock. I don't have to call like that, right?
Angle A.
I have a name, so I will use the name. That's
Angle
A,
B.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
okay. I have names. So I am going to I don't think you can even see what I've written properly. Okay, now possible. Okay. ADC. Correct?
Angle. Yes.
Yeah.
CDB.
G,
BG. ADG. DGF. DGE. EGH. HGF. Okay.
GHF.
Yes, yes. All right. Agreed?
Yeah.
So
Yep.
far?
Yeah.
Ranveer, can you name me angle number 1?
CDB.
Pranav, can you name me angle number 2?
ADC.
Good. Tanishka, can you name me angle number 3?
D, G, E.
B?
D, G, E.
B?
No, no,
G,
no,
D. Ayo.
I said D, D. D for dog.
Okay, D.
D, G,
G.
G, G. E.
D, G, E. But I am
she's
asking the
correct.
name for this one. Angle है, तो center name क्या होना चाहिए? Come on, don't tell me we have to go back to that now.
Oh no.
This is the angle you have to name. Which angle is this? Which are the rays it is touching?
Khichdi.
A, D, G.
Correct. Why did you get so confused? Okay, Subhan. This is angle number?
4.
इसका नाम बताओ.
B. Sorry. DGF.
DGF. DGF. यहाँ पे
Yes.
ये एंगल है, तो दैट एंगल के कॉर्नर में ये जो वर्टेक्स में मीट होता है, वो नाम बीच में आना चाहिए. करेक्ट?
हाँ.
तो ये क्या एंगल है?
This is angle D.
एंगल डी. ओके. एंगल डी का पूरा नाम क्या है? एंगल डी उसका निकनेम है. उसका पूरा नाम क्या है? फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम के साथ.
Ma'am, it is DGF is an angle.
Honey, I already told you DGF is this angle. DGF is this angle.
Yes.
Please tell me, how will you read this angle?
Angle DQR. Angle PQR.
Okay. Why is this angle PQR?
Because if we don't write name, how we will understand what you are saying?
Arey yaar. That is not what you will tell me. You will tell me that these two rays are meeting at a common vertex. What? Subhan, you forgot everything that we learnt about angles?
No, ma'am.
Then, if we have not, you will be telling me what angle is this?
Mm,
Can I call this angle RPQ?
No,
Why?
because it has the common vertex.
Okay. So I can either call this angle Q or angle PQR, correct? This space has to come in the center. Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes.
Yes.
So what is this angle here? क्या करने से ये नाम सेंटर में आएगा?
Ma'am, this PQR are in angle PQR there will be Q.
Okay. I am telling you, name this angle for me. What is this angle?
Angle D.
You are still giving me the nickname. I want the full name.
Ma'am, angle DQF is,
DQF.
ma'am, it is looking like F.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, it has a common vertex.
Which is
That's
that?
why. Ma'am, G have a common vertex.
Pranav, can you tell me? 4, angle number 4. How will you read this angle?
Number 4. BDG.
Thank you. That's angle BDG. Tanishka, what is this angle number?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Can you read the angle for me over here? ये क्या angle है?
FGH. Ma'am, FGH.
FGH. FGH. And I am asking you one angle which is over here.
Ma'am, DGF.
Thank you. Okay. Ranveer, what number is here?
Ma'am, 4.
Pranav, what number is here?
Ma'am, 6. Sorry, 6.
So Ranveer, if this is 6, what angle is this? What is the name of this angle?
Ma'am, DGE.
DGE. Yes, this is the angle. Pranav, what is this number here?
7.
इस angle का नाम बताओ.
EGH.
Correct.
EGH.
Tanishka, what angle number is this?
Ma'am, 8.
इस angle का नाम बताओ.
FGH.
Whenever you're getting confused कि इस angle को read कैसे करेंगे? Very simple. तुमको कौन से angle का measure देखना है? You want to see the measure of this one, right? Now, which angle do you think this is?
CDE.
Is that easy to see then? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if I want to see the measure of this angle, this angle, right? Okay, so now what angle am I forming here?
EGH.
Correct.
EGH.
Now I want to find the angle, this one, right? Which angle am I forming here?
DGF.
DGF.
Is this understandable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Now I'm going to go to the next step of understanding about this. इसमें बहुत सारे combinations हैं. Now, there will be times when you are given out of these 8 angles, only 1 or 2 angles. How will you find the remaining ones? Very easy. Very easy. First of all, let's understand that it is very easy. Okay? Just because it has 8 angles, don't think, "Arey Baba, ye kitna kya, kaise karenge?" No thinking like that. You know how to find 4 angles, only if 1 is given, right? You know that,
Yes.
right? Now, similarly, you can find this also. Okay? Now, just understand what I'm telling you. No writing, no copying, no fiddling, nothing. Listen.
Yes, correct.
This angle and this one, they are on the outside.
Yes.
Correct? Agreed? 1, 2, 7, 8 are on the outside. Okay? Right? So they are called angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. They are on the outside.
Yes.
They are called outside angles, or the correct word for them is
Extend. No.
exterior angles. Okay? They are called exterior angles. All right? Now,
Exterior angles.
ये outside है. 1, 2, 7, 8 outside है. तो ये friend लोग कौन है?
Interior
Ma'am,
angle.
Thank
Interior.
you, Pranav. Thank you, Pranav. Thank you, Pranav. Yes, they are called interior. Opposite
Friend.
na.
Exterior, interior.
These are outside. These are inside. These are exterior angles. These are called interior angles. समझ में आया इतना दूर?
For
So far, so
example,
good.
bus.
क्या प्रणव?
For example, bus. One is driver, second is that car.
Driver and car मतलब?
And see, one is the driver, second is the driver's side seat, third and fourth behind, and seventh and eighth last one.
My
Last seat.
God, look at the correlation he's applying too much. He's saying if this is a vehicle, the driver and the person sitting next to the driver here, and these are the people sitting last में. ये सारे लोग हैं जो बीच में बैठे रहते हैं. Okay,
बीच
fine.
का
ठीक है.
खिचड़ी.
The way you are imagining it, that's good. ठीक है, visualization. No problem. So 1, 2, and 7, 8 are exterior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Okay. Now there is exterior interior was very simple. Correct? Exterior interior बहुत ही simple था. Straightforward. No confusion. The next one is also pretty straightforward. The next one, 1 and 5.
Ma'am, we can't see 5 neatly.
You know na, it is 5.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 1 and 5. 2 and 6.
Yes.
4 and 8.
1 and 5. 2 and 6. Okay, you can't see it there. Angle 1 and angle 5. Okay.
Yes.
ये एक जोड़ी है.
Yes.
angle
Angle
2 and
Angle
angle 6. ये इस लाइन के ऊपर है, ये इस लाइन के ऊपर है और दोनों लाइन के इस तरफ है. Okay? Ranveer, I will not explain later again. Transversal के इस तरफ, this is above this line, this is above this line. Okay? तो ये दोनों एक जोड़ी. Okay? Now transversal के इस तरफ, this is under the line, this is under this line. Huh?
Yes.
Angle 3 and angle 7. Transversal के right side में
Angle 4 and
angle
angle 8.
4 under the line,
And angle 8.
angle 8 under the line. Okay? ये जो ऐसे, ये इस साइड में तो ये भी इस साइड में, ये इस लाइन के ऊपर तो ये भी इस लाइन के ऊपर. This one on this side, so this one also on this side. This one above this line, so this one also above this line. लाइन के इस तरफ तो लाइन के इस तरफ ये भी, इस लाइन के नीचे तो इस लाइन के नीचे. Right hand side of the transversal, so this also right hand side of the transversal. Below one line, this is also below one line. They are called
corresponding line. Angles.
corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Okay? मतलब
I think correct.
इसका प्लेसमेंट जहां पे है उसी का प्लेसमेंट इधर भी है. Wherever this one is placed, in a similar position, this one is also placed. Corresponding. Okay? Corresponding. ये इस तरफ है तो ये भी इस तरफ है, ये इस तरफ है तो ये भी इस तरफ है. Below the line, on the left side. Below the line on the right side. Such angles are called corresponding angles. Okay? Now next. Now let's see next.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay? Now,
Yes.
now what are these angles originally called?
Ma'am, it is called
Interior angles.
Interior angles, correct. What are these angles पहले से बताया गया था, ये क्या है?
exterior angles.
Exterior, okay, and
Interior.
interior, ठीक है? ये जो लाइन के ऊपर 1, 2, 7, 8 exterior, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 interior. Subhan, are you following what's going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now 4 and 6, एक इस तरफ तो एक इस तरफ. 4 and 6 are called alternate exterior angle. Sorry, alternate interior angle. Okay?
Ma'am, if they are outside, then there will be alternate exterior angle.
Yes, there will be. We will come to that. Alternate, मतलब ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, ये इधर, ऐसे जाते रहेगा, right? Alternate. Interior angles में alternate. All right. So 4 and 6 are alternate interior. 3 and 5 are also
Alternate
interior. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Pranav, can you tell me
Ma'am.
alternate exterior?
Ma'am,
Alternate 1 and 7, 2 and 8.
अरे वाह, ये alternate
1
exterior,
8.
ये भी alternate exterior.
Yes.
Okay,
1 8.
what?
2 and 8.
Got it? This one will not have anything to do with this one, except for that it is 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay. This is also exterior. This is also exterior. This is interior. This is interior. All right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But this one and this one alternate exterior. This one and this one alternate exterior. This one and this one alternate interior. This one and this one alternate interior. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. One last one that we are going to do today. Now you see why I kept telling you, wash your eyes, come back and be attentive, because this is going to be different but interesting. Okay.
Yes.
They are, what are these angles called?
Interior.
Exterior.
But
Ma'am,
when they
now
are
I
coming into
understood.
this shape, when they are going to come inside this box shape, they are going to be called
Constitute.
Interior and exterior. Constitute.
consecutive interior.
Constitute interior.
Constitute nahi, consecutive. Consecutive.
Consecutive.
Again, this one coming inside this box.
Consecutive.
Consecutive. Consecutive. Consecutive. Consecutive.
Ma'am,
Okay?
interior and
Consecutive.
Consecutive interior.
yes, consecutive and interior.
Consecutive and interior nahi. Consecutive interior.
Okay.
Okay?
Consecutive interior.
अपने हिसाब से कंजंक्शंस नहीं लगा देने का इसमें सब, फिर उसका मीनिंग बदल जाएगा. These are interior angles. These four are interior angles, but this one on this side and this one on this side, these two are consecutive interior. ये अपने घर में अपने से रहते हैं. They are inside their house. They are inside their house. Okay? Consecutive interior. Consecutive interior. Consecutive means अगल बगल में. आप पूछो consecutive exterior क्यों नहीं है? है what? इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि अगल बगल में वो है ही नहीं. They are not next to each other. They are too far away from each other. They cannot be consecutive. वो एक साथ नहीं हो सकते हैं. ये इस घर के इस पार रहता है, ये इस घर के इस पार रहता है. So they cannot become consecutive interiors. They cannot become consecutive exteriors. Nothing. They can't do anything to do with consecutive. So that's why they are not consecutive. Okay?
Yes.
That is why you do not have consecutive exterior. Now, we are going to sum it up. आज का class अगले 5 मिनट में खत्म. So I'm going to ask you one simple question.
Yes.
Ready? Ready for a quick short test?
Yes.
Yes. Please.
Okay? All right. I will call out the name and I'll ask the question. Subhan, how many total angles do we have?
Ma'am, 4. Sorry. 1, 2. 8.
My dear, I am getting worried now. Are you doing something
Sorry.
on your phone?
Ma'am, I'm not doing. I was calculating.
What is to
First, I
calculate,
started-
beta? I've written all the numbers here. Why do you have to calculate when it's all written right in front of you?
Ma'am, that only I thought there are only 4 numbers. I saw only top one and bottom. I thought it is different. So that I said it. After I was counting.
Okay. Pranav, can you name me 2 exterior angles?
7 and 8, 2 and 1.
7, 8, 2, and 1.
No, wait. 1 and 7 and 2 and 8.
Coming.
Okay. Let's go together. 1 and 2, 7 and 8 are exterior angles. Okay. All right. So today we learned 1,
Exterior.
exterior angles.
Interior and exterior angle.
Okay. Ranveer, can you name me interior angles?
Ma'am, 4 and 5, 3 and 6.
4 and 5, 3 and 6. Very good. So do we all understand? Do we all understand interior angles?
Interior line.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Where is Tanishka? Why is she not in class? Okay. Pranav, can you tell me corresponding angles? Any one set.
Corresponding.
कोई भी एक सेट एक पेयर कोई भी एक पेयर बता दो.
Corresponding.
Ma'am, may I try?
Not able to? Yes, Subhan, you try.
I think
Subhan, you said, may I try? I thought you have the answer ready, honey. Why do you then talk when somebody else is already doing their line? Huh?
no, I'm trying.
You know by now that everybody will get their turn. Come on, Pranav, think. Subhan, think. Ranveer, can you tell me corresponding angles?
Ma'am, 4 and 8, 3 and 7.
Very good. Very good. 4 and 8, 3 and 7.
2 and 6, 1 and 5.
Yes.
Ma'am, I said 2 and 6.
I didn't hear it, honey.
Ma'am, I said it 2 and 6.
I said I didn't hear it.
I also didn't hear.
Okay.
I also didn't hear.
Corresponding. Are we able to understand? I think corresponding thoda sa tricky hai, but if you pay attention, you will remember corresponding ka soch kya hai. How do you identify corresponding? Both the angles should be on one side. Okay. Either on right side of this transversal or on left side of the transversal. Correct? Okay. And both the angles should be above the line or below the line. Right? So if I take 1 and 5, both are on the right hand side, and 1 above this line, 5 above this line. Correct? If I take 3 and 7, both are on the left hand side of this transversal. 3 below this line, 7 below this line. Okay? So corresponding पे थोड़ा सा focus रखो, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा सोच डालो, you will be able to find out. All right. Now, let's look for
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's look for alternate interior angle. First of all, the moment I say interior, you must think only of these. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now alternate
कैसे?
कौन बताएगा?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Ranveer, बोलो. Yes.
4 and 6, 3 and 5.
Correct? Pranav, is this right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. तो प्रणव तुम बताओ alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior.
हाँ.
2 and 8, 1 and 7.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Very good. Subhan, correct है ये?
Yes.
Alternate exterior. Okay. All right. Last one for the day. Last one for the day. And this is going to go to Subhan. Last one for the day going to Subhan.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Subhan, consecutive
Yes.
interior, others quiet. Consecutive interior, Subhan.
Ma'am, 6 and 2. Sorry, 7 and 2. 8 and 1.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 7 and 2, 8 and 1. First of all, are they interior?
No.
1
so,
minute. Don't justify. Don't justify.
No, they are
7 and 2. What angles are they?
exterior.
They are exterior. So if it is 7 and 2, what is the connection between them?
Exterior.
Other than being exterior angle, they are nothing.
Yes.
My question was consecutive interior. You straight away go to the exterior.
Ma'am, I didn't know. Sorry.
Honey, come on. Don't do this. What you're saying is wrong. I am very loud, okay? And I clearly said consecutive interior. Please don't tell me you didn't hear me. It is okay if you said मुझे नहीं पता. Listen carefully. I am already saying interior. So obviously it is inside. Now I'm saying consecutive interior. What does that mean?
5 and 4, 6 and 3.
So you could have done this in the first attempt itself. Let's understand again and again and again. What physics teacher says, what biology teacher also says. It's not about your speed in answering. It's about your concept and understanding. If you have understood, then you will catch up speed. But just because you have to answer fast, I will not approve that if your concept is wrong, your answer is okay. Nahi chalega. Okay. So children, with this, we have completed one very big topic of this chapter. In our next class, what I will do, that there are some angles, if you have this particular figure, na, कुछ angles hai जो common रहेंगे. Okay.
Yes.
And okay, ये angle common रहेगा. Okay. ये angle इसके साथ common रहेगा obviously क्योंकि ये vertically opposite angle है. Right? रणवीर वेट, लेकिन तुम्हें खाली ये एक आंसर दिया गया है और तुम्हें ये सब ढूंढना है, तो कैसे करेंगे? अभी तक ये था तो इन चारों को ढूंढ सकते हैं, लेकिन इधर से इधर कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं?
Ma'am, I know how.
No, Ranveer, quiet. Okay, there is a method by which there are two angles amongst these 8 which are usually common measure. Okay, there are some reasons why two of some of these angles in this area and in this area are going to be common. That will help you find out कि यहाँ पे एक इन चारों में से कोई भी एक दिया गया है तो हम बाकी के आठों कैसे find out करेंगे. All right. Now this property I will explain in our next class. ठीक है? Today we have done a very long session of geometry. Now we will stop. I want you all to take a break. But before going, listen to me carefully.